Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today you will learn how you can convert PDF file to zip file. So you can learn it in a simple way. Just you have to install one Android apps. Okay, so we need to go Play Store. Go to Play Store, and here you can search RAR. RAR. So when you get this software apps, then you have to install, and I have already installed it so that I do not install again. So after finishing your installation, then simply out this Play Store and go to your file manager, which file you want to zip. Okay, you want to convert in a zip. So go to file, and I want to go document because here is PDF file. Then select anyone which you want to make convert zip file. So this PDF, the first one, you have to press a little bit long press. Then here in the option you can see, okay, you can see send here. So click send, and then you find the first option RAR. Okay, you see that RAR file, click on it. Okay, when you click on it, then you will see this interface. So there is three option. You can make this PDF file into RAR, zip, as well as RAR. So okay, I choose zip. Okay, simply mark on it and set password. If you want to set password so that no one can able to open this file without your set password. Okay, so it depends on just 1 2 3 4. Okay, then your password is set. Okay, so zip, then click OK here. Okay, then it needs some minutes converting. Okay, it's done. So go to archive because zip file usually goes to archive. Then archive, click archive. Then you can see the first one is converted into zip file. So I hope you got useful video from this tutorial. So guys, make sure subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.